Hello. In this video, I'm going to tell you that many people are afraid of investing. If you are also afraid of investing, know that you are not alone. As with most fears, you can take actions to eliminate fear-based hesitations and become a successful investor. You need to watch this video because I'll talk about it. Fear stops people from achieving what they want in life. I should start by telling you that all confidence is developed over time. No one is born confident. Great investors have acquired confidence in what they do over time. They studied, they practiced until they gained enough confidence. You can achieve this too. It is important for you to know that we are often afraid of what we don't know. So the first step is to learn how to invest. You need to learn how investments work. Knowledge is an essential asset when you are investing. Understanding how markets and stocks work can help alleviate investor fear. You can also reduce anxiety by familiarizing yourself with the economy, investors, companies, and government influences on the market. There are business programs available that provide the tools and strategies needed to teach you how to invest. Later in this video, I'll talk about an online program that I recommend you learn about. Do you believe that the word invest is associated with the word risk? If so, perhaps one of the main factors is the risk of doing the wrong thing. Investing can be daunting because it is filled with hundreds of different options and you are afraid of losing money. Don't be afraid to start small. Start with sums of money you can afford to lose and don't risk too much while you learn. As you see your balance grow, you'll feel more comfortable investing larger amounts if you can. Always remember that the risk is inherently part of investing. Then you need to understand the extent of this risk and to weigh it against the product's potential advantages. This is where you'll reevaluate your goals and what you're doing to achieve them. Look at what you have to lose while focusing on what you have to gain. Now we come to the point where it is important for you to know that compounding interest is the primary principle behind investing. More money in your account means more interest is compounded. When you keep contributing to your investment portfolio, buying more stocks or other investments, you have more money compounding interest for you. Once you've taken the first steps and gained some confidence, you can start developing your investments in new directions. Before we talk about the next point, and if you are enjoying this video, so make sure to hit that like button so that it reaches more people who are also afraid of investing. Well, another important point is to create a plan for investing that works for you. Ask yourself where you want to be financially in a few years' time. After learning about different types of investments and how they work, set target dates and financial goals for your assets. Investing goals don't need to be complicated. A simple strategy allows you to be flexible with your finances and assets. Setting your goals for yourself allows you to overpower fear with determination. When you have an investing plan, it becomes easier to invest. There are several trading strategies published. Some techniques may help you excel, while others could be confusing and counterproductive. Also in this video, I'll talk about an online program that I recommend that will teach you how to invest and also how to create your investment plan. Because once you become comfortable, you should slowly adjust your method over time to refine it until you're happy with it. Learn the different methods and apply those skills and ideas. Now, going back to talking about risks, then after you've identified your strategy and created your plan for investing, you'll see that sometimes you have to bite the bullet and immerse yourself in something you may not be completely comfortable with. Once you start taking the steps along your investing journey, concepts begin to make more sense and anxiety decreases. You'll be much more comfortable with the types of investments. But don't forget, sometimes things do not go as planned. A number of external risks may have an effect on the performance of your investment portfolio. Firstly, there's the risk associated with the underlying economy, which is often factored into the price of shares. Related to this is political risk. For example, from political decisions around the world, which can quickly impact the price of shares and funds. Both of these are outside of your control and will therefore always be present in varying degrees. If your investments lose value, and if you've assessed your risk tolerance and chosen a strategy and assets that align with your goals, you're more likely to recover the losses. In this channel, we'll talk a lot about investments, so subscribe to know about the next videos, because we'll still talk about other tips. But now I'll talk that you start small, learn from your mistakes, create your plan of investing to minimize your losses. And the next point we'll talk about is that risk is there, but you don't need to be afraid. Feel safe because you can learn to invest. Start small and build up as your confidence grows. And before we continue talking about investment fears, I'll tell you about the online program I mentioned in this video. The program is Wealth Accelerator Masterclass by Kevin Attride. It is a comprehensive online program that teaches you the investment strategies to grow their wealth. You'll gain a better understanding of investing principles so that you can start achieving financial freedom. You'll learn essential skills like budgeting, compound interest, asset allocation, dividend reinvestment plans, DRIPs, real estate opportunities, and more. You can learn from setting up an investment account, choosing stocks to managing risks associated with investments. The program is designed for people from all backgrounds and walks of life. This comprehensive online program teaches you everything you need to know about investing, including how to create a plan for investing that works for you, the best portfolio mix and asset allocation strategies to maximize returns and minimize risk, how to plan for retirement and make the most of your wealth-building years, how to replicate the investment strategies of the wealthy, even if you're a beginner. This program will help you create a system on how to plan and put away money for your investments while still living the life you want, and understand your current portfolio mix and how to distribute and diversify your assets to minimize risk and maximize returns. And something that I find interesting and will help you overcome your fear is that it allows users to customize their experience without incurring financial risk, as you can evaluate the program online for 30 days. If, in 30 days, Wealth Accelerator Masterclass doesn't show you exactly how to create a system to plan and save money for your investments while still living the life you want, then you can ask for a refund and they'll give you your money back, but make sure you are buying from the official website to ensure the benefits of the guarantee. To help you, I have left the link to the official website below in the description of this video. This is your big chance to overcome your fear and change your financial future with a money-back guarantee. You don't have much to lose, right? And now to finish, I'll tell you that it is normal for you to be afraid to invest, but it is not normal for you to hold on to that fear and miss good investment opportunities. Know that over time, the spending power of your money will diminish, so you are constantly losing money. This in itself is a risk. In order to fight the effects of inflation, you need to find a way to make your money grow. You'll need some form of investing. So, investing does carry a risk. Investing is a risk worth taking. The key is you learn to investing. When you're comfortable with, you can then balance this risk against your long-term goals to determine how best to make your money work for you. Soon, I'll talk about your money working for you. But before that, there are other things I want to tell you. But today, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe for channel tips for you, because I'll bring more videos like this one. Thank you so much for your time, and I see you in the next video. Bye!